In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Roblox Escape Tsunami for Brainrot's Discord server. It's a quick process, so let's jump right in. First, navigate to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your Discord interface and click on the Add a Server icon, which looks like a plus sign. A new window will appear. Scroll to the bottom of this menu and select the button that says Join a Server. In the text field labeled Invite Link, you'll need to type in Escape Tsunami to make sure it's all one word with no spaces. If you're unsure of the spelling, you can copy it exactly as shown on the screen. Once you've entered the link, click on the Join Server button. You'll be redirected to a welcome screen for the Escape Tsunami for Brainrot server. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize your experience. Select your notification preferences for things like sub-announcements or giveaways, and then click Next. Finally, read through the server rules and click Finish to complete the process. I hope this video helped you get connected. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe for more Roblox community guides. Happy gaming!